Next up to unbox are this pair of ZCCO Premium Neoprene Socks, 3mm for water, for diving, for scuba diving, for snorkeling, for beachwear, for surfing, for swimming, for sailing, for everything. But they look like Gimp socks. So let's get them. Well, let's have a look at the package. They come in this. I like it when things come in a little packet like this because then they're box fresh. So all nicely, neatly folded. I think I paid about $15, something like that. Little zip tie, whatever it is, bag. So resealable. You can use it obviously when you're on the beach to kind of keep them in. So keep everything nice and dust free and whatever free. So this is how they come. ZCCO 3mm. They feel really nice. They feel really nice. You can see there's your 3mm of neoprene, and that's kind of a rubbery interior. There's a seam. So the seams go in. Maybe that will irritate your skin. Who knows? We'll have to try them out. Then we've got the bottom where you've got these kind of dimpled little rubber sort of dimple. You can't really. They're not very grippy, but they're certainly dimpled. They'll give you a bit of grip, certainly in the wet. So that's what they look like, the Gimp socks. So these are for underwater diving basically, or beachwear to keep your toes nice and warm, or very precious basically. It's always hard doing these reviews on my black background. I might have to go and invest in another colour background, but black on black again. You can see silhouettes. If I put my hand in to illustrate what a foot would look like, then you can get a little puppet show. So the sizing's really weird on this. So I sort of went for a best guess. They feel kind of as tight as I'd expect them. Obviously I haven't put them on my feet yet, so I'll have to try them on my feet later. But so far so good. I quite like these. Apologies for the you can hardly see them. I think about 15 quid. I looked at other brands. I looked at Cressy, which is a really famous brand, but for some reason I've never been that impressed with them. And maybe that I haven't tried enough of them, but I went for a cheaper, well, not even a cheaper, same price, but an unbranded or a brand I'm not less familiar with, ZCCO. You'll probably sort of put in the comments that they're really famous and I should know about them. And maybe I should, but I'm a beginner, so you'll have to forgive me. But anyway, there you go, the very hard to see Gimp socks from ZCCO 3mm. Recommended by